I received my G22 outdoor gas grill from Monument Grills. Here's the hose for your propane tank, the manual. In case your igniter doesn't work, you put like a paper, burn paper, and ignite your burners. That's what this is for. You got some clips right here. One on each side for carrying. This is your grease tray. It goes right under here, your grease tray. You got these two retainers right here, 1, 2, that's where they go. This is your grease tray. This is your grill. You have your stainless steel burners here, 1, 2. Burner cover, the feet. You have 4 feet, 1 on each corner. There it is. Your burner covers go on top of this this little bolt right here. 1, 2, and then your grill goes underneath this. There it is. Alright, this hook goes right here in the back of the grill. And that's to store your connection to your tank, your gas propane tank. That's it. That's the whole assembly. Well, I'm gonna take my lightning rod off because I really don't need it. If I need to light up my stove, I just light it up with my ferro rod. This is in case the igniter doesn't work. So I'll just put this right there. Put this away. I don't need this igniter. So one of my main concerns about this grill is this everything flying off when you carrying your grill to your spot in the car, to your spot, right? So you latch it, we'll see. Looks to be everything intact. The grill is not flying off or the covers, so it looks like a solid piece for carrying. Everything is intact. That's what I like. There it is. You have 2 burners. Very nice. It's throwing off some nice heat. Hell yeah. It has 2 stainless steel burners, stainless steel grill, and stainless steel burner covers. Check it out. It has some nice venting right here. Excellent grill from Monument Grills. This is the G22. It's already at 400. Time to grill some food on my Monument grill. Now to turn off the burners, you twist to the right and press in. There it is. In just a few minutes, it went all the way to 450. Check it out. Hell yeah. That's throwing some nice heat.